severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Pennsylvania, or 13 miles east of Freeport, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicating movement. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without cover. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Winnebago around 6:35 p.m. Rockford around 6:45 p.m. This includes Winnebago County Fairgrounds. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on